Welcome back, Odooers. Today, we're going to discuss marketing and why it's such a critical part of growing a business, especially in today's competitive landscape where reaching the right customer at the right time can actually make all the difference. What is marketing? Why is it important? And how is it used with Odoo? Well, marketing is how companies and brands share information with the world, including events, promotions, new products, anything you can imagine. But enough chit chat, let's jump on in. First, what marketing apps does Odoo offer? Odoo has email marketing, SMS marketing, social marketing, marketing automation, website, events, and surveys. Each app has its own capabilities, but they all work towards the same goal spreading the word about your brand, company, or product. For example, imagine you're launching a new product, your team might tease it on social media, follow up with email announcements, host a virtual launch event, and create a landing page on your website, all coordinated through Odoo's apps. Email marketing sends emails to various audiences, targeting different customers with different messages. Odoo tracks what emails are opened, how many links were clicked, and if any of those sales resulted. SMS marketing is the same but for text messages. We can send messages to different audiences and see if we can get any clicks. Social marketing organizes posts to social media outlets, including Facebook, Instagram, X, LinkedIn, and YouTube. So we can even use this app to send push notifications on our website. Just like with email marketing, we can see how successful social media posts are by tracking the clicks, opportunities, and more. Website is not necessarily a marketing app per se, but a website is a fantastic way to share your company with the world. Since website interacts with social marketing via push notifications, I've decided to include it in the list. Websites are marketing. Same goes with events as well. Events are more than just gatherings, they're powerful marketing tools. Hosting something like a furniture expo gives potential buyers a chance to see your products up close and personal, ask questions, personal questions, and form a lasting impression of your brand personally. And of course, Odoo tracks those metrics too. So the next major item to discuss is a campaign. What is a campaign? A campaign is a marketing strategy that targets a portion or segment of a population to do something like purchase a product or sign up for a newsletter. A campaign utilizes any and every aspect of marketing to achieve its aim. It's not just sending emails or posting photos on social media. It's a fully integrated marketing approach towards a specific goal, and it uses any strategies that may be successful for that goal. All right, but all of this, talk about marketing and campaigns and vague details is only helpful to a point. We need a real life example to fully understand this. So here at Stealthywood, we're excited to debut our brightly colored summer collection this July, and our goal is to make sales. We're actually going to target our current customers and also try to gain new leads. We will use all the marketing channels available to us: email, SMS, social media, events, and our website. So follow me as I create a campaign for our new line of furniture. So we can create a campaign from the social email and SMS marketing apps or the marketing automation app. I'm actually going to start in the email marketing app. So first, I need to go to configuration over here inside of email marketing and then settings. All right. So you see this little box right there next to mailing campaigns. Make sure it's selected and save. Now, once that we're done with all that, we have our campaigns menu option up at the top right there. To view my campaigns, I'm going to select the new one over there, and we're immediately taken there. I'm going to make a new one as I just talked about this. So here I can actually see all the campaigns inside my database organized by their stage. And Odoo provides this new stage by default. So when I selected it right there, I went and created these running ones. And I also have these ended stages. So to make a campaign, again, you select new up at the top and then you enter the name for it, New Summer Collection. All right, perfect. I'm going to set the response. I don't want to be responsible for this. We're going to select Paul Williams, our marketing manager, as the person responsible. I'm going to add a few tags right here, like product launch. It's pretty good. Marketing. See, look at us. All right, then I'm going to select add and I'm going to click away. And we did it. We made a new campaign. Perfect. Right there, Odooers. Now what? Well, you'll find out in the next tutorial how we create marketing emails for this campaign. And if you keep watching along, you'll also see how we create social media posts, host an event to launch our new line, get feedback from our customers, create push notifications on our website, and much, 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 much more. It's going to be an exciting campaign with all of those features. Thanks for watching, Odooers. We went over what marketing apps are available with Odoo, what marketing is and how it's used, what a campaign is, why they're useful, and how to start creating one. So stay tuned to my other tutorials. where we're also going to market our new summer collection via all the available marketing tools that we just discussed. And I bid you adieu. Go grab a snack, Odooers.